Hello everyone, welcome to today's podcast show. I am Nathan, your favorite host. Today I am going to talk about an important topic. If you have worked on a construction project, you must be aware of why post frame building is so important. As post frame building is highly engineered structure, you can give strength to your project with it. If you are looking for a contractor for your project, you can count on professionals of Frueh Construction. They can perform a flawless job and provide the best and top quality materials to strengthen your post frame building. So, if any of my listeners is planning to construct a post frame building, I will highly recommend Frueh Construction. To have a proper discussion on your project, call the experts at 7016935765. Also, visit www.fruehconstruction.com for further info. That's all for now. I will be right back. So, stay tuned.